Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take out money on Loqbox Save. First, remember that the most important thing is you have to unlock your Loqbox Save before take out money from your Loqbox account. Without unlocking your Loqbox Save, you can't take out or withdraw your money to the partner bank that's allowed or available in Loqbox. So let's see how to unlock your Loqbox Save. Unlocking your Loqbox Save is a bridge. Here's how to do it. First, log into your account, then click on Save at the top of your screen. Now go to Settings, then choose Unlock your Loqbox Save. If you haven't started making payment yet, your Loqbox Save will be cancelled and you're all set. If you have already started saving, you will be guided to open a new account where we can transfer your Loqbox savings. Just pick from the list of options, set up your account, then come back to Loqbox Save to enter the new sort code and account number. We will watch these details with our partner bank and get your savings moved. That means you can withdraw or transfer your money from your Loqbox account to the partner bank that are available in Loqbox. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.